to hear the wolf. What I thought. Crazy wolf in the house. Crazy wolf in the house. There's a crazy wolf in my house. Let me see how you're making that crazy wolf sound. I can do wolf too.
I actually thought there was a dog in the house when I was in the bathroom. I was like, I do not want to know.
Because it sounds real.
I'm keeping it.
If a wolf was mad, how would he sound? If a wolf was mad, how would he sound? So what if he was sad? How does that sad? That's a good sad wolf. What about? Well, here's a hard one. Happy wolf. It's hard, isn't it? What way they would wag their tail too? Wag their tail. And if they were playful, maybe they would yipe. They would go or something like that. Maybe jump up around. Oh, Bubba thinks that is funny. Oh yeah, and you're scratching. Oh, because wolves have fleas. You better scratch it, because if a wolf has fleas. Wolves scratch like this. With their legs, they scratch. Okay, one more wolf house, so I gotta go to dinner.